Good morning students, welcome to the online class of computer. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, mastering paints. So let us start now chapter number 2, mastering paints. So this is the paint software. When we open this software it will look like this. Okay. So I have a picture made of Spider-Man also. You can also use your creativity and draw any superheroes you want in the paint software. Okay. So, it is a very nice software. You can make the uses of shapes, colors and draw beautiful pictures. Okay. Now, remember the following points to draw the diagram. Remember the following points to draw the diagram. Draw 4-point star, 5-point star and 6-point star in the center. So, you have to draw 4-point star, 5-point star and 6-point in the center. So, this we have done in the previous lecture. 4-point star, 5-point star and 6-point star in the center you have to draw. Draw the right arrow and the left arrow as shown in the diagram. Draw the diamond shape on the left and right side of the diagram. Draw 3 different size of ovals on both the sides. Find all these shapes with your favorite color using fill with color tool. Select the drawing using rectangular selection tool and use copy paste operation. This will create the copy of the diagram. Now, click the resize options of the image group. This will display resize and skew dialog box. Change the horizontal and vertical value of resize options to 25 and then click on OK. You will observe that the drawing size is reduced by 1/4 position at proper place and again perform copy paste operations 3 times. Now, in this you can see, you will observe that drawing size reduced by 1/4, position it at proper place and again perform copy paste operation 3 times. To get the image on the size, you need to use rotate options, copy the paste the drawing and click the rotate options to image group. They will give 5 options as shown here. Select rotate size 90 and position the shape properly. Similarly, again paste the drawing and select rotate left 19 from the rotate options. Now, students, as we have seen in the live class, this we have discussed, we have drawn this image. By these steps you can draw that image of the star, 4 star, 5 star and 6 stars we have used, and we have drawn that picture, okay, in the previous page. Now, you have to use the fill color option, rectangular selection option, and you have to resize and you have to make it small. That picture, when you make the big, make it small using the resize option by placing the horizontal and vertical value as 25. Okay. You can also use the rotate options to rotate the picture here. Okay. So, here all these are given. This is always all the things we have discussed in the live class. Okay. But you have to remember that points while drawing the picture. To save the paint file. To save the paint file, it is necessary to save the paint file in order to use in the future. Following steps to save the file. Select save options from the paint button of paint. Type a meaningful file name in the file name box and click on save button. This will save your file in computer. The paint file is saved with .png extension by default. Now, students, you have to remember, whenever you want to save a file, you have to use the save option in the file menu, okay, of paint button, and you have to write a meaningful name for that file. For we have seen this in live class. Okay. You can also save this option with your name also. Okay. So, write when you are drawing this diagram, this picture, when you are drawing, just save it with your name. When you are saving this file, it will by default it will be with .png extension, it will be done. Okay. Portable network graphics is the full form of .png. Okay. This windows will appear when you save the file. Okay. So, these are the 2 windows here. File name, you have to create the file name and save. You have to create first, you remember the thing, you have to click on the desktop when you are saving the file. Okay. So, it will be there on the desktop. Okay. This we have also done in the live class. If you have any query regarding this, any question, you can ask me. Okay. To open a save file, paint file. To open a save paint file, the saved paint file can be opened anytime in the future. Select open option from the paint button of paint to open a saved paint file. You will get the following screen. Select the file which you want to open and click on the open button. The selected file will open in paint. Now you can make necessary changes in the file. If you want to open the save file, you can just click on the open button and you can open any from the file, any folder you want. Okay. If you have, but you have to select where it is there, it is on the desktop or that. Okay. So, you have to give the position and you can open the file. Okay. You will get the following screen. Select the file which you want to open and click to the open button, the selected file will open. Okay. Set selecting paint drawing as the desktop background. Now, students, remember, when you are drawing any paint drawing, you can select on the desktop background. What is the desktop? The screen of your computer is called desktop. Now, let us see this in detail. Friends, you must be knowing that you can change Windows 7 desktop by right clicking on the blank area on the desktop and then clicking and then selecting personal options. But if you want to keep the drawing made in the paint on the desktop, that you can do it directly from the paint program, following the steps to keep the paint drawing as the desktop background. Now, students, all of you know, when you want to change the screen of your desktop, just you have to right click and click on the personalize button. Okay. Personal option you have to click and their options are given, that you can select any screensaver there, okay, on the desktop background. But or any picture if you want to select on your desktop background. But if in the paint file it is all paint program, already there option is given to set as desktop background. Okay. Prepare a drawing in paint or open a drawing which is already prepared. Make sure that the drawing is saved, because only saved drawing can be set as Windows 7 desktop background. Now, when you are prepared the file, open it, okay, open the file and you have to save the file, okay, because without saving you cannot apply it on the desktop background. Select set as desktop background. Select set as desktop background options from the paint button as shown here. As you can see, there are 3 options to set the drawing as desktop background. Now, when you are clicking on the desktop background, there are 3 options are given. When you click here, 3 options: fill, tile, center. Okay. So, these are the 3 options which you are going to study in the next slide. Let us see. Okay. But when you click on the desktop background, click here, the desktop background will be saved to your desktop. Okay. Fill, tile and center, these are the 3 types to set the desktop background. Fill, this option fills the entire screen with the drawing. Okay. When you are applying this fill, you can see here it is fill options is here, it will fill the drawing. Okay. This options fills the entire screen with the drawing. So, your entire screen this drawing will appear. Tile tiles the picture so that it repeats and fill the entire picture. Okay. So, it will be repeated multiple times, okay, in the tile format. Center the drawing in the middle of the screen. Select the center option and you will observe that the selected drawing is as the Windows 7 desktop background as shown here. Now, when you are selecting on the center button, you will see that this drawing will appear in the center. Okay. Like this you can set the drawing. Following screen shows the view on the desktop where other 2 options are selected to set the paint drawing as the desktop background. Now, when you select the fill option, this type will appear. This is the view of the desktop when fill option is selected. Fill option will fill the entire drawing screen with the image. Okay. It will select all the picture. Here you can see black are there, black borders are there. Here entire screen the drawing is there. Okay. Okay, students, so see here, this is the fill, tile and center. These are the 3 drawings available in the screen. Okay. tile is used to tile up, okay. It will fill up the screen and it will tile up, okay. It will like multiple pictures, okay, here. So, these are the 3 steps in our paint program: fill, tile and center. So, this is our lecture on chapter number 2, mastering paints. We have finished this lecture. We will go in the MCQs in the next lecture, okay. If you have any query or any questions regarding the software, you can ask me in the live class. So, that is for all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.